If I have seen further, it is by standing on the soldiers of games. I can calculate the motion of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people. Nature is pleased with simplicity, and nature is no dummy. What we know is a drop, what we don't know is an ocean. Tact is the knack of making a point without making an enemy. Gravity explains in the motions of the planets, but it cannot explain who sets the planets in motion. Truth is ever to be found in the simplicity and not in the multiplicity and confusion of things. No great discovery was ever made without a bold guess. A man may imagine things that are false, but he can only understand things that are true. If I have ever made any believable discoveries, it has been due to more patient attention than to any other talent. What goes up must come down, and to every action there is always an equal and opposite or contrary reaction.